Woo! It is so cold out right now. We are at Mount Humphreys. Did not expect these conditions. There's like zero visibility right now. Hands are already frozen. Warming the car back up to try and get our hands a little warmer, then stick the gloves on and start the hike. It's already 30 degrees out, expected with wind chill factor minus 14 at the top. And thank God we both have Gore-Tex boots on, because we weren't expecting snow until we got above the tree line. But that is not the case. So this should be interesting. All right. We finally warmed up a little bit.
I'm not cold at all.
Got our shit together. It's looking a lot better than it did 20 minutes ago.
Yeah.
Wasn't looking too promising.
It's almost perfect.
Yeah, it's so beautiful.
Yeah, because it's kind of fucking cool to be out here in the snow. Our Sherpa at the beginning.
Our Sherpa.
He said, just be careful. Like literally like 15 times.
Hardest peak in Arizona. In the summertime. We're hiking it in the winter.
I know I've already said it multiple times. I just can't get over it. I fucking love these things.
Yeah, good. Now that I was able to take off my big snowboarding gloves with these bad boys, I can use my phone. We don't have to stop. Somebody, someone was like, that's not working out.
Yeah, maybe get that on the way down.
You can hear the wind kicking ass above the trees. Bear the weight and the girth of the camera so that you can respect the video more later. It's rocking the ride.
I can't. Will you take this from me? No, I'm just kidding.
That was quick.
What's that? That's probably a little like chipmunk.
Getting their shebang dang on.
Yep. Doing some power f***ing.
Yeah. Have to bleep that out.
Literally the perfect day to do this.
Yeah.
Because we're getting the snow, but it's not fucking 4 feet. So in terms of like the photo ops and just it's so serene out here, you know? Literally probably the best day of the year to come do this. As far as I'm concerned.
Yep.
Having to deal with the elements, yet they're manageable.
Manageable.
I see shit, that's only 50 yards away that we
Yeah.
can't see. If you can't see further than 60 yards, yeah, I mean, we're just fucking in the cloud.
It'll be nice.
Sorry?
It'll be nice once we finish this so that we know how Flatiron feels, we know how Humphreys feels, and we can gauge on other people to take on who we think who'd make it, and then be good Sherpas along the way. Well, this is the viewpoint. I'm sure it's dope when you can see. I'll bet you can see some cool stuff.
Yeah, when you're not in the middle of a cloud.
I love mountains. A lot of squeaking trees out here. Out here. A lot of squeaking trees.
Howdy.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Doing all right.
Nice. Did you go all the way to the top?
Not all the way. I did get to the tree line though.
And
came
you
back.
stopped?
Yeah.
Why'd you stop?
Huh?
Why'd you stop?
I couldn't.
Is it windy up there?
It's really windy, yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be humbling. We've never done it, so we're like, oh, we got this. And then once we get there, we're like, we'll see.
Yeah, it's pretty.
We're about halfway.
Okay.
Yeah.
About halfway.
See the dot?
Yeah.
Halfway?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
About another 2,000 feet in elevation, though. We got a lot of elevation. Does it start getting steeper and steeper and
Oh,
steeper?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Yeah, it does.
Okay.
But yeah, once you get past the tree line, it starts getting pretty windy. But,
Yeah.
It's,
Well, we've got more beanies and
Yeah.
we've got goggles and thicker gloves. So
So we'll give it a
hopefully-
go.
Yeah.
Have
so-
your feet stayed dry?
Yeah.
Are those Gore-Tex?
hmm Yeah. Yeah. They're pretty nice.
Yeah.
Keens are the best.
You like
They're-
the Keens?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah. They're cool. But-
Cool, man.
Nice.
Yeah. Of course.
Have a
All right.
safe trip now.
See ya.
Thank you. You too.
Starting to snow again. Don't know if it's showing up on camera, but it sure is nice. Wasn't able to get the Eskimo lady on camera, I don't think, but she said she quit about 400 feet from the top because the weather was too bad. So it could get dicey. Still waiting for this extreme wind. See what all the fuss is about.
Hello.
Howdy.
How's it going?
Did you guys go to the top?
We went to the saddle basically, and then turned around there because it gets pretty exposed.
The
And,
weather is-
yeah, it's pretty windy up there.
Yeah.
And I don't know how.
Best visibility.
Yeah, and
We also never done this.
yeah.
Ah.
We don't know.
I don't know how
What's real.
unpredictable the weather is on this mountain, to be honest.
You don't want to get blown off the side of the mountain.
Yeah. Up there, there's
Might be
like
risky, yeah.
30-mile-per-hour gusts, and at least at that saddle point, it's like all exposed. There is a nice cave, not cave thing, but a little rock that you could shelter in, and we ate food and
It's
drink
nice to
water.
go up there.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I think it's still totally worth it. It gets really
Are your legs cold?
Honestly, I've got 2 layers on. I'm actually doing all right.
Okay. Yeah,
I
the
was
wind.
anticipating the coming down cooling
We,
down a
we
little
we just saw 30 to 55 mile an hour gust on the report,
Yeah.
and so we've got the ninja mask and the
I know, you guys-
goggles,
I was,
Yeah.
and
first time. so-
Yeah, I think with the goggles helps a lot too, because at least, I mean,
Yeah.
more or less, my glasses are fogging up there.
well, these things fog up too. We're hoping with the wind it'll let enough air through that they won't fog up. That's why we're not even wearing them right now.
Yeah,
But it'll be interesting, that wind.
yeah.
We'll see how we do.
Yeah,
you guys got it.
yeah, keep crushing it.
It's,
Yeah.
It's nice up there.
Yeah.
All right, have a safe trip down, guys.
Thank you. You guys too.
Damn it, I was really looking forward to some fucking, oh, you guys got this motivation instead of, oh, we fucking bitched out. The weather was,
Back to back to back to back.
yeah.
Too
Yeah.
hard.
We've seen 3 groups of people now, 2 singles and a pair, and they all bitched out.
Yeah.
All the anticipation. I mean, it's gonna have to be like, even if it is gale forces, I'm gonna be like Lieutenant Dan on the ship. You can't sink this ship.
Is that all you got? You call this a storm?
Yeah, we're making this mountain our bitch so far.
Mm-hmm.
Minus the first half mile.
Yep. Minus the first half mile.
Yeah.
And-
We thought we got a crazy girl pregnant for a first half mile. Yeah.
What did we do? What have we gotten ourselves into? Tougher.
Yep. 100%. Hard men create soft times. Soft time create soft men. Soft men create hard times.
There you go. There you go. That's the cycle, right? That's the
Yep.
evolution of it.
Getting higher and higher. This elevation. But more importantly, it feels like it's getting steeper and steeper. More so than the elevation. But a little bit of both. We're gonna go through a 1, 2, 3, 4 switchbacks before we cut to the left and head up to the top. On our next switchback from where you're standing is a lookout point. I got short of breath there trying to talk loud.
Did you?
Yeah.
The elevation is getting you.
Getting me a little bit. I don't feel tired or fatigued, but my breath. That was weird.
South Kabicha yesterday.
Okay, you're an animal. Good for you. Well, thanks for giving us some motivation that we can get to the top. Have a good one. In case I wasn't able to get that guy on film, he did go to the top. He looked like he was frozen. Like his jacket had frozen ice on it.
His eyebrows had icicles on
His eyebrows had icicles on it, and he went to the top. So we're about to get motherfucking torn a new asshole. Whew, I can feel that wind now. And it's not even that bad. That is a steep hill right there. That's why we're switchbacking right here. Well, the good news is, with zero visibility, we won't know what a false summit is.
True.
Do you not see tracks?
No, there are.
Ugh.
These are tracks, right?
Yeah. Ooh. You guys made it to the top?
No, we just went to the saddle.
You guys aren't freezing, huh? Are your feet dry?
Too bad when we started out.
Your feet dry? Yeah.
Too bad, a little bit wet.
Cool.
I think we'll make it.
All right, well, be safe. Is that the sun trying to peek through? Whew.
What up?
Howdy.
Good, how are you?
You guys go to the top?
Yes, sir.
Is it insane up there?
It's windy.
Well, way more windy than this?
Way more windy than this. Yeah.
Okay.
It's like night and day difference. It's nice. So, we need to gear up, but you guys look way more prepared than us. So.
Well, if you guys made it, we can't bitch out.
That's right. You gotta make it now.
Yeah.
Right here. And two fellas just came up to the
It's like you got the same camel pack as me almost.
Oh, nice.
Exactly like me.
Go.
Yeah.
Good one. Yeah.
I love these. You can't even buy this one anymore.
Wow, yeah. It's nice for canyoneering because it's so tight to your back.
Yeah.
You know, you don't know. Wait, well, I will hold you guys up.
All right, have a good one, guys.
Enjoy.
Night and day difference. A sign! I love me some signs. Yeah. Holy fuck. Whoa. I mean, the wind's gonna be bad. That's for sure. The trail is up that way. And I don't know if it's behind. Oh, sorry. Yep, it's back there. Is the trail.
Will. Nice to meet y'all. Y'all from here? I'm Tennessee. Yes. Not as cold as here, but
It's like the mountain we're on anyway.
yeah. I've dealt with worse, the whites up in New Hampshire. Yep. But well, the trail maintenance is not switchbacks. You just go straight up.
Oh.
It's vertical. Going all the way out here.
on my back is frozen. The fact that we can eat the snow is what stopped my panic attack. I can't go another fucking 3-4 hours without getting a little water. Smells good. Side! Thank God for the sunlight. This should be the last fall summit. 4 more big push. 4 more big pushes. It looks like about 4 more stakes. Man, it's cold up here. Mount Humphreys. Okay. I just had to get it going. It'll probably be a minute before I see this again. Whew. Man.
Any ounce of cooling?
Frozen.
Yeah, but I mean, what do you expect at negative 14? Right? Man, we made it to the top. It was not easy. For whatever reason, the wind has died down to almost nothing. But
the last hour, it was 40 miles an hour consistent.
no fucking way. I would say 55 pushing 60. If you ever stuck your hand out the window doing 55 miles an hour, that's what it fucking felt like getting up to this motherfucker.
For the last hour. 45 minutes.
Yeah. Obviously, the spirit of the universe has given us a break because honestly, I didn't think I was going to make it. This guy right here is the champion. He doesn't have near the gear that we do. He's 23, that helps, but still, it is a cold mother out here. But it's kind of fucking weird and peaceful how the wind is non-existent. Like all of a sudden, we gritted it out to the top. The wind's kicking back up. It's like right at the top. There's no wind. There's just a little pocket of love. Yeah, it's like all the wind literally goes around the summit sign, and there's just a little pocket of joy. This sign. Oh.
Will you need to get off this mountain?
Man, that felt good. Yes, we are all going to get off this mountain.
Yeah.
We will have fun with more videos and more photos at a later time.